Think about these for a moment and then maybe write them down later. Sometimes looking too closely at the numbers in analytics can cause you to make bad decisions, just straight up. And the analogy here is you're looking so closely at the trees that you have no clue what the forest looks like. That's the concept. It's not always true that looking at the numbers makes you make bad decisions. But when you're looking intently at the numbers, you are staring at a tree or two or three, and you have no clue what the forest is actually like. Okay, so keep that in mind. So the question number one is, what numbers have you become obsessive about? Is it your traffic? Is it your YouTube views? Is it your YouTube subscriber count? Is it your social media following? Are you like, oh, I lost like 4 people on Instagram? Is that the number that you're obsessed about? Your social media following? Is it email opt-ins? I mean, that's a number worth knowing or caring about, but are you obsessed? Like, oh, I normally average 300 email opt-ins a month and I only got 246 this month. Dude, that doesn't matter. You have no control over that kind of stuff. Are you obsessed over your email opt-ins? Is it your sales data? Is it revenue? What number or numbers are you obsessed with? Second question, are those numbers actually hurting your business? Like obsessing over those numbers, could it be hurting your business? Could obsessing over your YouTube subscriber growth be hurting your business? If so, how? I want you to ask yourself that question. I want you to be honest with yourself. Could obsessing over your podcast downloads be affecting the health of your business? Could obsessing over your Instagram or Facebook followers count be hurting your business? And in what way? Last question, what big picture signs could you pay attention to know the health of your business? So instead of the numbers, what could you look at? Could you focus on the quality of your work? Like how good are your videos or your podcasts? How good is your online course? How good is your membership? How good is your service or your consulting practice? How well do you serve your customers? Could you focus instead on the happiness of your customers? What about focusing on your joy in your work? What if you paid attention to your joy in your work? Do you even enjoy running your business?